Welcome to Apple's factory. Today, I'll show you how the orange titanium iPhone 17 Pro Max is manufactured step.
The assembly process utilizes nanometer-level precision as robotic arms mount the powerful Apple design.
We have a thermal spike in the core array.
Rerouting coolant flow. The temperature is stabilizing now.
Every component is aligned and tested for absolute perfection.
Every iPhone is tested to meet Apple's highest standards.
And that's how the iPhone 17 Pro Max is made, engineered for the future.